and then I'll put it on my eyelid to give it like, I don't know why I do that. I just like it. I was about to give you guys a fake explanation about why I do it. Like, girl, don't fake it. Don't lie to the people. Good morning, good morning. So I'm headed out to work, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I do my everyday work routine. When I go to work, I don't really, just pretty much in general, I don't really like putting on a lot of makeup. I'm gonna put my phone on silent so this thing is not beeping in you guys' ear all day. I mean, throughout this vlog. So lately I just been, I thought I just put it on silent. Come on. So lately I just been shaping my eyebrows and then putting on some concealer to hide like my hyperpigmentation and my blemishes, and then like do a lip combo, which I'm going to show you guys what I've been loving as my lip combo as of lately, and then pretty much it. And then I put a little bit of eyeshadow on and I keep it moving. I don't do foundation anymore every day, just because, I don't know, I just been feeling the natural look. So what I'm using is the Anastasia Beverly pencil in dark brown. So this is my everyday eyebrow pencil that I use, and I've been using this for over, I want to say like over 4 years. This is my go-to pencil to use for my eyebrows. And I'm just going to like fill the end and not touch the beginning of my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna do that. But Happy New Year. I'm so excited to start my YouTube journey and my content journey for the new year. I took a break, a little hiatus at the end of the year, just so I can just enjoy the holidays and not have to feel like I have to film content. And so I just took a break, and then whenever I felt like posting, I posted something, and it was probably something really short, similar, and I posted it on TikTok. I posted like this little funny clip that shockingly went viral. It's like when you spend like hours and hours editing, you get like 200 views, but as soon as you just post something that's not even supposed to be like, I don't know, wasn't even really meant to go viral, goes viral. Like it got over like 200k views, and I was really shocked. But yeah, other than that, I just been kind of like resting like a polar bear. And it feels good to not have to like pressure yourself to post every day. And during that time, I kind of focused on what my 2025 goals are, and one of the goals are starting my YouTube, which I'm doing today, and I'm excited. It's really hard. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like, kudos to the people that do YouTube. YouTube is not easy. And I wanted to start my YouTube back in. So I'm going to use the NARS concealer to kind of highlight under my eyebrows. It's the same skin, and it's going to be the same concealer that I use on my face. It's a skin tone concealer, not a highlight. It's pretty much the same color. Well, kind of the same color as my skin tone, but just a little bit lighter, just so I can clean up the eyebrows a little bit. But yeah, like I was saying, I wanted to start my YouTube back in 2020, and I posted something on TikTok where at a time I shaved off all my hair because I was going natural. I was done with the relaxer, and I've like had a shortcut for literally majority of my life. I've rocked short hair. And at that time, I was doing too much. I was like, I colored and I had a little bit of a heat damage. So I was like, you know what? I'm just chopping it off and I'm starting all over. And I'm going to start my YouTube channel. Yeah, it didn't go that way. I didn't start because YouTube is not something that you think you could just start, and it's just not easy. And I feel like now there's a lot more resources, because in 2020 I wasn't on TikTok. I'm not even sure if TikTok was here in 2020, but you know, you could just type in the search engine, hey, how do you do this on YouTube, or how do you do this to start your YouTube, and you'll find many videos of people explaining that. Even though you can do that same thing on YouTube, TikTok is just a lot quicker, easier, and it's like shorter form instead of like, you know. So me starting my channel, I did a lot of research on YouTube, on TikTok, trying to figure out, you know, how to do certain things, how to edit certain things. So if I'm being honest, I probably wouldn't even be able to start my YouTube in 2020, because I would have got, like I said, anybody can do it. I don't want to discourage anyone, but it is a lot of work. It's not like TikTok and Instagram where you just do like short form, you edit for like maybe 15-20 minutes and then you post. Like, you really have to take your time in editing your YouTube. You really have to take your time in like watching what you film, making sure the quality is good. It's like, this is for the, you know, this is for the big dogs. Like, so I'm taking a risk starting this journey. And the thing about me is that I have diagnosed myself with ADHD, and I cannot pay attention to more than like 10 minutes on something. And what I realized about myself is that I can do that while editing. So you really have to have a passion for, you know, wanting to create content, editing, sitting down, hours and hours, going through footage. Like, you really have to have that passion. And if there's one thing that I have a passion for, is being creative and editing. So anyway, so I just put some concealer. See, it's already like concealing all my hyperpigmentation. And I don't know, you just have to have that passion for that, to sit down and be on YouTube. And since I told myself I have ADHD, whatever I see that I can spend hours and focus on, then I know that that is something that I enjoy doing. So I enjoy like decorating. I enjoy doing interior design things. I enjoy, believe it or not, I just, you know, when I was taking my break, of social media, I forgot how much I love to read romance novels, and I started reading, and I was like literally not on TikTok. So I built a community on TikTok. So sorry to my sisters if I haven't commented or I've been on your stuff. I was literally just, I just logged out of social media, because like, you know, if I was on social media, I would be on social media like hours and hours and hours and be able to engage with my fellow creators or my community. But I picked up a couple of books and I just started reading, and social media was in the back of my mind. So we kind of need to get back to that. Like, what happened to us? Social media has taken over, even though I'm doing social media, but honestly, it has consumed. I didn't realize how much it consumed me until I started reading a book. And I was just so focused on my book. It was such a good book. There's actually the book that I was reading. I've read like a couple books, but one of the books that I read was It Ends With Us, and it's now on Netflix as a movie. It came out in August, and I can honestly say that the book is better than the movie. But the movie was, I like the movie. There's mixed reviews about the movie. So I'm using this eyebrow freeze, Anastasia Beverly, to lock in my eyebrows. So this is not, you know, a full-blown makeup look, but I just like to look a little bit put together when I go to work, but not like too much of a beat face. So I just like to look like I don't really have makeup. So I could call this like my makeup no makeup look. Because you're still gonna see some of my blemishes a little bit, because I don't want to like overdo it with the covering up, but then at the same time I still kind of want to be like put together. So yeah, so I read It Ends With Us, and then I read the follow-up book, It Starts With Us. Both of them are really good, and I read it like a couple of days. I finished it. It was nice to do something other than just be on your phone scrolling on social media, to be honest. And so I realized I'm gonna pick back up that hobby of reading. I used to like reading, not all books, but just literally romance. I'm like a hopeless romantic. I love romance movies. I like romance books, things like that. Those are the things that kind of keep my interest. Editing, keep my interest. I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use a L'Oreal Voluminous Original. I don't really wear mascara because I usually have eyelash extensions, and that's what my phone was going off confirming my appointment for tomorrow because I need a refill. But I'm just gonna put some on my bottom lash. Yep. What else? I love 90s music. You all know that if you follow me on TikTok. That is my jam. 90s to 2000 music. I barely listen to what's playing nowadays, if I'm being honest. So if you're stuck in the car with me, I'm sorry, but we are not we're not listening to whatever is the sound nowadays. So I'm gonna put actually Fenty's what is this, bronzer stick on top of my forehead, because I don't want to like, I want to put a little bit of something because my forehead is a little bit darker than my middle part, and then I'm gonna blend it out so that I can match, like, you know, my skin is like two-tone, so I can kind of match how my skin goes, but still kind of keep it light. And let me see how I'm looking so far, guys. But it's gonna be a challenge. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. My hair is not the greatest today, but I really don't feel like putting an iron to it right now. It's not that deep, gonna work. You know what I mean? Not that deep, y'all. And then I kind of shape my eyebrows a little bit. And what I do with my eyelid, I'll put like a bronzy color on my eyelid. Like, I've been using this Morphe palette for years. It's probably expired, y'all. I don't even care. I don't even care. Fight with your mama. I'm just kidding. And then I try to use like a brownish reddish tone on my eyelid. This is like one of my favorite colors right here. It's kind of like brown reddish, and then I'll put it on my eyelid to give it like I don't know why I do that. I just like it. I was about to give you guys a fake explanation about why I do it. Like, girl, don't fake it. Don't lie to the people. I just put it. I don't know. I just like how it looks. I don't really know why I do it, but I just do. And then I just put in my eyebrows a little bit. I don't put much on my nose. I just leave my nose as is, but it's on the drier side today. I need to put something on it. It's pretty dry. So I'll just put a little bit on my eyelid like this, blend it out. No blush. I don't need blush. And so my everyday lip combo has been this Haus Lab pencil in the color Mahogany Matte. And I'll just pretty. I need to take this. I had put this lip mask on my lip. I'm gonna like wipe it up a little bit, and then outline my lip with this. I don't know, I just like this color for some reason lately, and it's nice and like velvety and smooth. I need to get more Haus Lab products. I heard they're really good, and everything that I have of Haus Labs I like. So, and then I'm going to use this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pearl Gloss in the color, what is this color? Frosted, in the middle of my lip. And that's about it for work. And then I'm just gonna wear this outfit, and like I said, I'm not really gonna do my hair because it doesn't really look that bad. I'll probably just like flat, like put something on my edges a little bit, and that's it. And that is my everyday work makeup routine. Let me know if you guys want me to what tutorials you want me to do for makeup. So basically I'm gonna be a beauty, lifestyle, fashion for inverted triangle body type. If you follow me on TikTok, you know that I'm very passionate about that, and so that's what my YouTube content will be about. And I want to like get more into my culture, so I'm going to do some things with my family, my mom. So YouTube will be the place where I bring out more of my personal life. If you know me, I don't really do those things, but it's like you gotta be authentic with your audience if you want to start YouTube. So this is something that is really out of my shell, but I hope you guys subscribe, and thank you for watching. So I hope you guys have a great rest of the week. I'm gonna start filming for my next vlog, so stay tuned for my next vlog. Thank you.